Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to go live on TikTok on PC. First, check your eligibility. You will need to have at least 1,000 followers to access TikTok Live Studio. On the TikTok mobile app, go to create a new post, swipe to the live section and see if Live Studio or Cast to PC is an option. If it is, you're eligible. Number 2, get your stream key and server URL. On your mobile app, select Live Studio or Cast to PC or Mac. This will display your unique server URL and stream key, which you'll need to link to your PC to TikTok. Number 3, download and install Live Studio or OBS. For the best experience, download the Windows-compatible TikTok Live Studio from the TikTok website. Alternatively, you can download and install professional streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Number 4, set up your stream. Open the download software and sign into your TikTok account. Add sources for your webcam, screen capture, or game capture in a desktop. Adjust your audio, video quality up to 1080p, stream latency, and select your preferred stream orientation, portrait or landscape. And finally, start your live stream. In your streaming software, enter the server URL and stream key you obtained from the TikTok app. In the streaming software, click the Start Streaming button. Go back to the TikTok app or website and click the final Go Live button to start your stream to your audience. Before going live, give your stream a title and select a topic to categorize it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.